AI video tools are changing the game, but which one should you use? Today we're comparing DeepBrain AI and Vizard AI to see which one helps you create stunning videos faster. Stick around, the showdown is packed with surprises. So when it comes to AI avatars, DeepBrain AI has 100 plus ultra realistic avatars, while Vizard AI has limited avatars but they are expressive. When it comes to voice cloning, DeepBrain AI has a natural sounding voice cloning ability, while Vizard AI does not. It only has text to speech. When it comes to templates, DeepBrain has fewer templates, while Vizard AI has about 100 plus ready to use templates. When it comes to editing tools, DeepBrain has basic trimming and effects, while Vizard AI has advanced cuts and transitions. When it comes to AI auto editing, DeepBrain does not do that, while Vizard AI has smart cut and resize, or AI powered. When it comes to pricing, DeepBrain starts at $30 per month, while Vizard AI has free plan plus affordable pro plan. When it comes to ease of use, DeepBrain AI is simple but limited, while Vizard AI has a drag and drop plus is intuitive. When it comes to who they are best for, DeepBrain best for quick AI presenter videos, while Vizard AI best for social media and marketing clips. So, DeepBrain wins if you need AI avatars and voiceovers fast, while Vizard wins if you want easy editing and templates for social media. So, who actually wins? Well, if you love AI avatars, go DeepBrain. But if you want easy editing and templates, Vizard takes the crown. Drop a comment, which one are you trying first? Do not forget to like and subscribe for more AI showdowns. See you in the next one.